Using this AI tool, you can create infographics like this just in seconds. Let's say you want to create an infographics for topic like 10 best video editors. All you need is just to click on generate infographics, and now you can get a ready document with infographics on this topic, like best video editor, and some subtitles for this document: Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, and so on. You can see 10 best video editors. This is ready document. And if you don't like this design, you can choose from a variety of different designs. By the way, if you don't like something on this document, you can edit this in the internal editor. Edit this infographic, and here you can edit everything. You can edit text, you can edit colors, or some elements, images, illustrations, photos, colors, charts, maps, and anything that you want. You can even upload your own documents. So in this video, I'll show you what is this AI tool and how you can use it to create your infographics just from text, from one line of text, or from your document like PDF, or ready a few sentences of your text, or a fully structured text. This AI tool is Piktochart. You can sign up with Google or create your own account on this website. You can create presentations, products, PDFs, or your projects, whatever you want, with this AI tool. Okay, let me show you how you can create your infographics. You can go to the main page of the website and then just click on create with Piktochart AI. This is what you see when you just start creating your infographics. Here, as you saw already, you can write something just in one sentence, like top 5 trending topics on LinkedIn, for example. And Piktochart can create a few formats for your document: the list, timeline, comparison, newsletter, or chart. And this is the infographic. Also, you can create social media and web formats like Instagram post, banner, or quote, also in square format. And also you can create documents like business plan, proposal, report, handbook, ebook, case study, and just everything that you can imagine. You can see like report, this is the different examples of such format. If we click on business plan, no, nothing changes. Okay, infographic. This is the examples of list format. And timeline, this is another examples of timelines. If you click chart, for example, this is different examples of chart format. Okay, let's create our infographics. All you need to do is just to write here, again, 10 top video editors. For example, I want to create a digital product in PDF format, just to sell it or give it for free to my customers, to my followers, and I want to design it beautifully in a PDF format, as I said. Okay, and what we can do is just to click generate chart. Yeah, and while the Piktochart AI generates my document, I want to show you different designs. Yeah, this is the example. Wow, this is really impressive actually, because here you can see not just a list of video editors, but this is the format of chart. Premiere Pro is the industry-leading video editor. Okay, feature category, number of features. This is the Final Cut Pro, and this is DaVinci Resolve. Yeah, actually this AI can generate a statistic data for you. You don't need to analyze or do your own research, but if you want, of course you can do it, but it's not the necessity. Okay, let's see another designs. For example, this one, or yeah, there are a lot of different designs. Okay, and now I want to edit this design. What I need to do is just to click edit this report, and then you can see the editor of this template or of this design. Okay, I want to edit, for example, text. I can write top 3 video editors. I can edit it. It's like Canva actually. You can do whatever you want here. I want to make my font size smaller. 40 is okay. Yeah, I can replace some blocks. I can remove some blocks. I can add some icons here. Yeah, I need to do just to replace it here, to move it here. Yeah, like this flower, we don't need it here actually. And also you can edit the data that you see on this document. You just need to click here, and as in Canva or as in PowerPoint, you can edit the numbers if you disagree with this information. Design components, you can add some different components like diagrams. You can see different types of diagrams, actually a lot of different diagrams. Comparison block, bios, photo grids, data and metrics, headers and phrases, badges, stickers, text banners. There are a lot of different design components. You can edit the color theme of this document, like if you prefer green and yellow, yeah, you can see it, or pink. I like original. If you need to add some brand colors, you can edit them. Yeah, but it's I suppose you need to pay for such type of subscription on this tool. Okay, maps, my uploads, charts, different type of charts, also a lot of different charts. Graphics, okay, we already seen them. My uploads, you can upload some files. You have limited storage, okay. My library, editor tips, okay, more. You can add some tables and YouTube or Vimeo videos. Yeah, this is actually very similar to Canva editor. This is very user-friendly. I hope you can figure it out. If you have any questions, I can make another video more detailed on how you can use this AI to create beautiful documents, maybe some specific documents. And now what you need to do is just download your document in a few formats. Yeah, but some formats are only in another subscription plan. Normal quality, medium or high, and you have download limit on a free plan. Let's go to the home page, and this is the dashboard of your account. For you, Infographics presentations, you can create presentations, of course, because even these Infographics documents were already very similar to presentations formats. Flyers and many more. Let's see. email signatures, invoices, logos, menus, newsletters, a lot of different formats. Okay, let's see my previous design. Edit. Yeah, best video editor. So it was editors. I've already edited this. And here is the list format. Yeah, you can see 10 different video editors, and this is my previous document that I was creating in the beginning of this video. And also I wanted to see different plans options for individuals and businesses, for teachers and students, for non-profits. Okay, let's see for individuals and businesses. Free plan, you have 50 AI credits to create your infographics. I think that you can create up to 50 different designs, but you have only 2 downloads. Yeah, but unlimited visual projects. It's okay if you don't create documents often, and if 2 downloads is enough for you. Most popular, of course, is Pro plan. It costs $14 per member per month and billed annually. Yes, this is the billed annually option. Okay, you have unlimited downloads and you have 1,000 AI credits. This is a lot. This is, of course, if you use this AI tool for your business and you often create some documents. Yeah, this plan may be nice for you. Okay, and billed monthly price is twice higher than billed annually, as you can see also right here. Okay guys, this is the tool Piktochart that you can use to create infographics from text just in seconds. This is a really life-changing tool, I think. You can sign up and create your account on this AI tool using the link in the description of this video. And also please write your comments, write your questions if you have any of them, and smash the like button and subscribe on my channel.